thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chilton County, southern Tuscaloosa County, Shelby County, northeastern Hale County, Hood County, southern Jefferson County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's a big warning.
At 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sanford University to 6 miles west of Shelton State Community College, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Listen next week.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Birmingham,
totally
Tuscaloosa, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Alabaster, Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Helena, Hueytown, Clara, Fairfield, Chelsea, Montevallo, Brent, Columbiana, Centerville, Jemison, Wilsonville, and Holt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of shoot until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Jefferson, and Shelby. Severe thunderstorm watch number 223 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Chambers, Clay, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Talladega, and Tallapoosa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are...
You have 4 unread messages.